Villanueva. Take note, si Kuya Reynaldo Villanueva, fresh from Bini and DCMM Radio Patrol sa East 30 Field Trip. Mga kaibigan, fresh na fresh from 2 events by ABS-CBN. Kapamilya. Excited na kayong sumakay? Here at Jackliner Bus 3406. Sa pamamagitan ng ating vlogging ministry, let's try Jackliner Bus 3406. Let's go at sabayan nyo ko sa ating pag-aaral. Yo, what's up? Thank you. At maraming salamat po, Dabarkats. Yo, what's up? Madlang people. Pamahayag. Being confident. Read Philippians chapter 1 verse 23 and 24 at the end of the vlog. This passage has been greatly misunderstood through the ages. In this week's passage for the study, Paul dealt with the contrast between living and dying, the Christian lives for Christ, and may even die for Him. In that sense is the gain because of the witness that much more powerful and persuasive. No doubt that this person believes then willing to die for that belief. Medyo mabigat to. Bigat na bigat yan. Tagos na tagos yan. But we must to recognize that the dead is already dead. They know nothing. They rest the grave till the resurrection. That's why Jesus said of Lazarus, who had died, our friend Lazarus, natulog daw si Lazarus, but I go that I may awake him out of sleep. If when people die, they go immediately to heaven, image how that would be for Lazarus. Oh, nag-ano na naman si Lazaro ha. After the 4 days of Lazarus frolicking in paradise, an angel comes with a bad news. Sorry, Lazarus, but Jesus is calling you back to the earth. You can stay here. When he followed error to its logical conclusion, we see how erroneous it, that like the dreamless sleep, from which Jesus will awaken to his faithful followers to the second advent. Then together with the living saints, they will caught up and taken to the heaven to be Jesus forever. Paul's departing from the present life to be with the Christ means him in suffering, suffering, and in order to attain the resurrection from the dead. Also, no doubt aware that he will close his eyes and that the very next thing he will know, the twinkling of the eye, will be seeing Jesus has prepared for all who love him through willing to die for Christ. Paul knew it would be better for Philippians would he remain in the flesh. Interestingly, for the Christian, whether is the better to live for Christ or die for him, not necessarily easy to answer. Paul was hard-pressed between the two, between staying alive or resting in the grave. Medyo mabigat yan. Medyo bigat yan. Ang bigat, no, yung ating paksa sa Adult Sabbath School lesson. Pero, aral yan para sa ating lahat. Okay mga kaibigan, ito. Let's play. Dito na po tayo on board sa Jackliner at ipa-plug muna na natin ang Type C. At ito'y usong-uso at napapanahon sa panahon ngayon. Eto na yan. Mag-it ang iyong mga gadgets. Alam na this. Andito po tayo, Jackliner Bus 3406. Ayan, tuloy ang ating diskusyon. Ito, medyo mabigat-bigat. Ito yung mabigat ang ating pinag-uusapan sa Sabbath School lesson. Medyo mabigat talaga. At mabigat din sa bulsa or mabigat din sa damdamin. Yes, of course, you heard it right. Kasi kapansin-pansin, tayo yung nagbo-vlogging ministry sa Jackliner Camies Terminal para sa ating vlogging ministry. Dalawang libro. So, dalawang libro yung ating itatampok. May mga episode po tayo. So, may mga episode po tayo na dapat nating ipaintindi sa mga tagapagsubaybay. Being confident. So, ibig sabihin, bakit si Paul tilt to contrast sa between ang mga nabubuhay at ang mga sumakabilang buhay. Teka muna, medyo mabigat-bigat. Ika nga daw, living things and non-living things. Kasi, ito, they rest the grave until the resurrection. So, may mga katanungan kayo tungkol dito. So, magsabi kayo sa mga Sabbath School teachers, sa inyong mga stagers. So, mga kaibigan po natin, dapat natin tandaan is the being confident. Is always a confident. Dapat tayo mamuhay ng matiwasay. This has been Joyan Montilla. God bless. Okay mga kaibigan, yan. Shoutout muna tayo sa mga kaibigan natin. Ma'am Winona Solina Fredo, Ma'am Madeline Galicia, Idols Fitness Gym, at sa lahat po ng 34 series ng Jackliner, at sa lahat po ng mga units po ng Jackliner, mabuhay po tayong lahat at doble ingat po tayo sa pagmamaneho. Lalong-lalo na, alam mo na, kailangan pray hard. This is Joyan Montilla. Maraming salamat po. God bless for more. Yahoo! Still at the Jackliner bus 3406, mga friend. Kaya po tayo po ay wow. This is a cuteness overload. Another cuteness overload ang ating masisilayan at kasabay po ng ating pag-aaral ng Sabbath School lesson. However to see, ito na tayo. This is a cuteness overload. Yeah, this is a cuteness overload. Uy, okay. This is the cuteness overload. Sige, dito naman na. Cuteness overload Mga friend, cuteness overload po tayo. Kaya, yan. Si Kuya Reynaldo Binanueva, bagong gupit. Kuya Alan Andaya, also bagong gupit. Yan. Yan po. At shoutout din po sa Angelo's Barbershop sa Makiling Calamba. Makiling Calamba City, Laguna. Ang dumadaan lang kasi yung Alabanger and Batang Quiapo. Talagang totally aesthetics na. Alam na this. Philippians chapter 1 verse 23 and 24. For I am in a strait betwixt two, having a desire to depart and to be with Christ, which is far better. Nevertheless, to abide in the flesh is more needful for you. Ganda and super cuteness overload! Cuteness overload po mga friend. Kaya dito sa Jackliner, syempre alagang Jack, alam na this. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Shout out to Santa Isabel Seventh-day Adventist Church located at Barangay Santa Isabel, San Pablo City, Laguna.